up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to do an eyeshadow look using the Juvia's Place Olori 2 eyeshadow palette. Now, because April is Autism Awareness Month, I'm going to do a crazy blue eyeshadow look using only my fingers. I don't like to use makeup brushes when I do my eye looks. I prefer to use my fingers. I feel like the eyeshadow goes on a lot better with my fingers than it does a brush. Now, I am not a professional, guys. Clearly, I just like to have fun with makeup and share some of the ways that I put my makeup on with you guys in hopes to inspire you to create some really fun eyeshadow looks. Now, because it is Autism Awareness Month, I'm going to give you guys some fun facts about autism throughout the video. And as a thank you for taking the time to watch and listen, I will have a giveaway at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's jump into how I created this awesome, crazy blue look. Okay guys, so here I am, and I've already pre-prepped my eyes a little bit. So I've already used the Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Amplifying Base in the color Deep. This is my absolutely favorite eyeshadow primer. And then the next thing that I used was this Lovecraft Beauty eyeliner. I love this stuff. This is also one of my favorites. You would think I would remember the name. And the last thing I've already put on was this Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is a highlighter palette that I got from Life with Lois's. It's my absolutely favorite, and I've used this blue eyes color. Okay, I think that covers everything that I've already put on, so let's go ahead and get started with the Juvia's Place Olori 2 palette. So guys, I've never tried any of their palettes before. This is my very first time, so I open it up and I'm like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I mean, look at these colors. This looks awesome. I'm so super pumped to use it, right? So now I'm deciding, where am I going to start? So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and start with this color right here in the corner. The colors don't have names, but it's fine. They're all blue, so really, do they need a name? At any rate, I'm just going to use that in my inner corner, and honestly, guys, this didn't go on as good as I was hoping for. Like when I use the Ace Beauty palettes and I put their eyeshadow on the inner corner, it goes on so nice and so smooth. But this first one that I tried didn't go on as good as I was hoping. So you're going to see me go over my eye in my inner corner quite a few times just to try to get the color to show up. So now I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, where am I going to go next? I decided to go to the blue color that was above the color I just used. And I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of that beside, like in the center of my eye, I guess you can say. I don't know what the proper terms are here, guys. I'm not a makeup artist, clearly. So at any rate, I'm just putting this stuff on my eyes here. And there's really no rhyme or reason. I just, put it on till it looks okay to me. I don't know how else to explain it. So I put a little bit of that on and I'm like, okay, it's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this matte shade that's in the center here, and this went on really good. Now their shimmers don't seem to go on as good as these matte shades do, but this, wow, I mean, wow, that is deep. So I'm going to fix this, guys. It went on a lot darker than I was expecting because the other ones didn't go on as well. I was just expecting this one to have, the same effect, but nonetheless, let's move on. I'm going to go ahead and go to the color that's right above it here. And I'm just going to go ahead and drag that all the way across my eye to kind of try to blend this together. Now, this color did not go on as well as I was hoping either. So we're going to fix this. I have a plan. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and jump into some fun facts about autism. Okay guys, so April 2nd is Autism Awareness Day, and that's where we light it up blue to help bring awareness to autism. So I'm just going to share a few facts with you in this video about autism. So let's start at the beginning. Though the term autism first appeared around 1911, very little was known or medically researched about autism spectrum disorder until the late 20th century. New discoveries and advancements continue to be made today to help individuals on the spectrum achieve their full potential. So this next fact came from a 2019 study, and that is autism spectrum disorder now affects 1 in 68 children. Boys are nearly 5 times more likely than girls to be diagnosed with ASD. So based on this fact, it appears that ASD is more prevalent in boys than girls. And the last fact that I'm going to share with you today is that autism spectrum disorder is one of the fastest growing developmental disorders in the United States. ASD is more common than childhood cancer, diabetes, and AIDS combined. Guys, that's why it is so incredibly important that we help educate people about autism. Okay, guys, the last thing I want to share with you is this gorgeous bracelet that I got from a sweet friend and follower of mine. She sent this to me last year, and her name is Stacy. And guys, I just want to thank her for sending me this beautiful gift. It was such a sweet gesture, and I wear this all of the time. All right, guys, let's go ahead and finish this eye look, and hopefully it turns out okay. Okay guys, so let's try to bring this look home. I'm going back in with this Moonchild highlighter palette, and I'm going to go in with this blue moon color here because that color that I used to try to blend from the Juvia's Place palette just didn't work out very well for me, and it didn't mute this look down enough. So I'm going in with this highlighter over top to help blend a little bit more, and also to mute this down because this blue is super bold. Now this worked out very well for me, and I just do the same thing on both eyes, and I actually added just a little bit more off camera because I just wasn't quite happy with it yet. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with this super dark blue color, and I'm going to use this on the lower lid here. I just like to have a nice solid line on the lower lid of my eye looks. I don't know why, I just think it looks good. This went on very well and it's super pretty. I was extremely happy with this one. So some of the colors go on good and some not so good. So I'm going to go back in with that first color that I used because this one didn't go on as well as I had hoped. So I'm just going to try to darken that area up a little bit more on both of my inner corners because I think that it needed it. And once I did that, guys, this look is done, and here it is. Woo! Okay, so it's super blue, right? But we're lighting it up blue today, so here you go. Guys, I love this eye look. I think it turned out really pretty. I don't know that I need the blue lipstick, but I added it anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and jump into the details for the giveaway. Okay guys, so let's jump into the details for this giveaway. First and foremost, YouTube is no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using items that I've purchased with my own hard-earned money. I'm just saying. Second of all, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you will not be able to win. So there is a full list of rules in my description box below. Please make sure you check those rules out before entering this giveaway. Okay guys, so this giveaway is going to run from today, April 2nd, all the way through April 9th. I will be announcing the winner on April 10th via electronic picker. I almost forgot that part. You could probably tell by the big pause. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and talk about what I'll be giving away. So I'm going to be giving away the palette that you saw in today's video, which is the Juvia's Place Allure 2 palette. This is such a gorgeous palette, guys. This was the first time that I used this palette. I felt that it went on really well. I love it. I think it is gorgeous. I'm a huge fan. So here's what the palette looks like. I used almost all of the colors that you see in the palette here. So it went on really nice, guys. I really love this palette. Of course, you guys are not getting the one that I used. You're getting a brand new one in the box, okay? I'm also going to include this blue makeup bag, and it wipes clean, guys. I love that. I do have autism awareness ribbon charms that I'm going to put on the zipper pulls. Unfortunately, those weren't in time for me to do this video, but they will be on there when you receive this in the mail, whoever wins the giveaway. So here's the inside of the bag here. Ooh, look at that. Okay, these are brand new, guys. I did not use these, so that's just, you know, the way it looks. Awesome. Nonetheless, here's what the bag looks like on the inside. It's really selling it, isn't it? And I'm going to include some other things, and I'm really not sure what else, but you're going to get some other goodies on top of the palette and this little bag with the autism awareness zipper pull that I'm going to add to it. I'm trying to think, guys, what else do I need to tell you? Oh, in order to let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway, please put the word blue in your comment below. That will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. It is blue, B-L-U-E. Make sure you spell it exactly that way because I'm going to be using it in the electronic picker to determine how many comments wanted to be entered in for the giveaway. All right, guys, I think that is everything. At least I hope it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about autism. I'm going to have giveaways throughout this entire month to help spread the word about autism. So please make sure that you watch, listen, and share the videos so that other people can learn about autism as well. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! I am not a professional, clearly. I just like to have fun, and I like to give you guys some ideas on some things that you can do. And because it is April is Autism Awareness Month. Yeah, messed that up. Try her again. For those of you who are better at makeup than I am, you can create a more awesome look using the techniques. Yeah, try her again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a crazy blue eye look using only my fingers. These are my hands. These are my fingers. Woo! Try it again. And because it is Autism Awareness Month, I would like to do a giveaway. What? What? Hold on. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to do an eye look with the Juvia's, what is it called? What does that say? Or, oh, Lori? Oh, Lori too? Sure. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to do an eye look using only my fingers with the Juvia's Place, I think it's called Oh Lori 2 eyeshadow palette. I can't talk. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to... Okay, hold on. Now, guys, I don't like to use makeup brushes. I just feel like the makeup goes on a lot better without the brushes, so I use my fingers when I do my eye looks. Kind of delayed on the fingers. Try it again. But I just want to give you guys some ideas on ways that you can, like, put your makeup on, or I don't know. Getting in the weeds. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Juvia's Place, or oh Lord, boom! Nailed it. Now, first and foremost, I want to let you guys know that YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. Boom! Nailing it today, man. Okay, guys, so let's jump into this giveaway. Now, because, no. Second, you have to be subscribed to my channel, so make sure that you are subscribed, because if you are not subscribed, boom! Let's just go into a different language, shall we? One that no one's heard of, nonetheless. Okay, guys, so let's jump into the details for this giveaway. First and foremost, I want to let you guys know that YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this. I can't talk, so just try it again. In the comments below, so that will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this. No, I didn't say how long. Oh, shoot. Wait, how long is it going to run for? Second, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because if you are not subscribed, you will not be able to win. And third, I wanted to let you... No, there is no third. Those ribbon charms didn't come in time for me when I... Oh my gosh, I want to scream. It was so good until then. Darn it.